Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your HP OMEN Transcend 14 freezes. If your HP OMEN Transcend 14 has freezed, there are two ways of it being freezed. Either a certain app is freezed or your whole laptop. First, I'm gonna talk about the certain app being freezed. So mine is not freezed, but if I open any app, maybe not this one, this will be a bad example, but if I open the Microsoft Edge and it's freezed, I just can't do anything in that app. And then the first thing you should try doing is closing it. If it doesn't help, then click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete on your keyboard. These three keys at once, Ctrl, Alt, Delete. Then click on Task Manager. If it opens, then it's great. That means that only one app is freezed, not your whole laptop. And what you should do is find the app that has freezed, right click on it and click on Add Task. Then try reopening it. If it helps, that's great. If it doesn't, then try scrolling down until you can find the Windows Explorer. Right click on it and click on Restart. Then wait and see if everything works now. If it doesn't, then we'll get to then you should try the steps for when your whole laptop is freezed. They will also work if only one app is freezed, but the previous two steps didn't help. So what you should do at first is press and hold on the power button until your laptop turns off. So press and hold until the keyboard stops lighting up. Now my keyboard is off, and wait for 15 seconds. So let's turn it on now. And if it helps, then that's great. But in some very rare cases, it may not turn itself off. And what you should do, you should unplug your laptop from charging and let it sit until it automatically discharges itself. It may take up to several hours, unfortunately, but as I said, this is very rare, and if your laptop just discharges, then it won't have any more power to run and will turn off itself. And if it's turned off, you can plug it in, leave it for half an hour to charge, and then turn it on and it'll be working. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.